get fear in maths. You have to find the path to overcome fear in maths. You will get success in that. To overcome fear in maths, you will get success in that.
Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Math Class. Today I am going to discuss about the perimeter of triangle. That is very easy. Now I am going to show you one triangle and how we will find out the perimeter of that. Say this is a triangle and we should find out the perimeter of this area. Okay, so perimeter of a triangle equal to LM plus MN and NL. So I think this is A, B and C. So we can write down A plus B plus C. Okay, if I tell you this edge measurement is 5 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. Okay. So these three edges are not same. So how we will find out? With the help of this formula, A means 5 plus 6 plus 4. So this is the way easily we can get the perimeter of a triangle. So last video I already discussed about the perimeter of square. So now I am going to show you with the help of that square formula. I will show you one problem sum. Okay. This is our problem sum of square. Find the measurement of the side of a square whose perimeter is 48 centimeter. In my last video I already told about the perimeter of square and area of square. So here they gave the perimeter of square, but they didn't give the measurement of edges. Okay, so we know that square means all edges are same. Okay, we should find out the measurement of all these sides or one edge. Okay, so here our perimeter is 48 centimeter. So side, how we will find out that perimeter by 4. 48 centimeter by 4. So this is the way we can easily get the edges of square. Okay. So next problem sums we will discuss about some eraser. If I give you one eraser in a graph paper, so how we will find out the area of that eraser? Let's see. Find the area covered by the eraser. The area of each square in the grid is 1 centimeter square. So here we took one graph paper. Suppose in this graph paper we just imagine that this is a eraser. Okay, so this eraser, it covered 8 squares. Okay, so suppose we should know that this 1 square means 1 centimeter square. that is 1 square means 1 centimeter square. So, there are 8 complete square covered by the eraser. So we know that how many squares covered by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 into, we know that 1 square means 1 centimeter square. So 1 centimeter square. So 8 centimeter square. So this is the way we can get the eraser area, how much it's covered. So that is 8 centimeter square. Now how we will find out this polygon area? Okay, so we know that this graph 1 square means 1 centimeter square and 1 triangle means half of square. So 1 triangle okay. So how we will find out the area of this particular polygon? So first of all we should know how many complete squares are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 squares are here, means 13 into 1 centimeter square. And how many triangles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Four into half centimeter square. So easily we will get 13 plus 2 centimeter square, that is 15 centimeter square. So with this formula and with this practice we can easily rectify any kind of polygon or any kind of shapes. So now I am going to end my class here. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get all the notification in future. Thank you. Have a nice day.